welcome back to COSMAX Indonesia YouTube channel. Me, Clara, will bring to you a topic about hand sanitizer. In this video, I will share about the DIY of hand sanitizer and special kit from COSMAX Indonesia Airline team. So, stay tuned! Of COVID-19, the sales of hand sanitizers have soared. It's become such a sought-after product that pharmacies or supermarkets have limiting the number that people can buy at one time. With shortage leading some people to try and make their own hand sanitizer, or you can say the DIY. But it's also important to know that DIY might not be effective as commercial one. Like here, COSMAX Indonesia as a manufacturer that produce hand sanitizer with guaranteed ingredients because there are few criteria that hand sanitizer need to meet to be most effective disinfectant. So, to prove that your hand sanitizer DIY is effective, make sure you count the ingredients correctly. But how if you cannot count it or you don't have the tools at home? Don't worry, COSMAX Indonesia have a kit. Let's see.
Here's the DIY kit of hand sanitizer from COSMAX Indonesia. A liquid-based sanitizer, a soothing gel, and an empty bottle for doing fun DIY. First, a liquid-based sanitizer with 80% of ethyl alcohol. It can kill pathogenic 99.99% bacteria and viruses. This liquid has passed laboratory tests for its ability to kill bacteria and viruses that cause disease and food poisoning. Also, it has chamomile extract that well known for anti-inflammatory effect. We add essential oil to as natural fragrance. It saves for any skin types. Second, a soothing gel with aloe barbadensis leaf extract. It is providing moisture and leaving refreshing feeling for the skin. Then it also has cucumber extract which can promote skin elasticity and other benefits too. Last, the soothing gel contains of hyaluronic acid that can keep skin suppleness. With these two, we'll mix them in bottle provided in kit and you'll get the effective DIY hand sanitizer with 64% alcohol contents. This is how to mix the DIY kit from COSMAX Indonesia. First, we pour liquid base which contains alcohol and excipient ingredients, approximately 20 ml, and then you mix with soothing gel 10 grams. Then, you just shake until it mixes. Well, you will get fun and the effective hand sanitizer. And then you can use it whenever you want.
What do you think about it? Easy, right? Then that's all for the DIY hand sanitizer kit from COSMAX Indonesia. In this case, hand sanitizer have a place and can help ward off the bacteria and viruses. Oh yeah, I will share the tips how to use hand sanitizer correctly. First, after you apply hand sanitizer, rub your hands together and let it dry for 20 seconds. So, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you and bye-bye!